So level of organization you got body symmetry, germinal layer. There are 3 germ layers: endoderm, ectoderm, and mesoderm. Some will have only 2 germ layers, or some will have 3. Then coelom, body cavity. I told not everyone will have a body cavity. There will be few directly no body cavity. Meristematic metamerism is segmentation. Head, abdomen, and tail or legs. That notochord, spinal cord. Notochord means spinal cord. See this. This is just pictures. These all will belong to this, like that. Now, the basis of classification, cellular level of organization is there. Then there will be tissue level. After tissue get organ level. After organ there is organ system. Okay. So the first one is cellular level of organization. In cellular level of organization, there are only cells. There is no tissue, no organ system. Example is Porifera. That is the first phylum. Then tissue level organization means, will there be cells present? Cells will be present. Cells group together to form tissue. So there is tissue. Cells are arranged into tissue. Here there are cells are loosely joined together, but they are not as tissue. Example is Cnidaria and Ctenophora. So Cnidaria and Ctenophora, second and third phylum. Then we have organ level of organization, where there will be tissue are grouped together to form organs. Higher animals from platyhelminthes to chordates. And finally, there is organ system of organization. The organs are associated to form organ system, like digestive system. We have stomach, small intestine, large intestine. These are the organs which forms the organ system. Example, all higher organs. Now, even the organ system are different in some animals. They show complexity. Now, if you see, digestive system is 2 types. One is incomplete. Digestive system is of 2 types: incomplete and complete. Incomplete means it has only one single opening. Only one opening. If you see this one, there is only one opening. This is the mouth. This is the anus. जो खाया भी उसी से जाएगा और निकाला भी उसी से. No 2 openings, only 1 opening. Okay, so this is only 1 opening. Only 1 opening. So example includes Cnidaria platyhelminthes. Cnidaria and platyhelminthes. Complete digestive system will have 2 openings, mouth and anus. All higher organisms, we have 2 openings, forward digestive system. Here you can see the earthworm, it is showing complete digestive system in roundworm. Okay, the anus is here, the mouth is here. Even the circulatory system is of 2 types, open and closed. Open means the blood is just given out in the body. There is no veins or arteries to carry the blood to different parts. The blood is just pumped inside the body. The cells around the blood will take the nutrient. Whereas in closed, we have proper artery, proper veins. Our circulatory system you all have seen. It is from the heart, the blood goes through the artery to different parts of the body. From the body, the blood is taken by veins and it is brought back to the heart. That is called close. Yeah. Then symmetry. Okay. The basis is symmetry. You can see this is asymmetric. You don't get 2 equal half. This is symmetric. You get 2 equal. Now the first one is sponge. That is Porifera. Okay, Porifera is not having any symmetry, but a beetle has a bilateral symmetry. What is bilateral symmetry? Bi means 2. So you can get 2 equal half. Bilateral means 2 equal half. So this is Arthropoda. It is the arrangement of similar body parts into 2 sides of main axis of a body. So it is an imaginary line which divides the body into parts. So body can be divided into 2 similar parts. Based on the symmetry, animals are of 2 types. Okay, asymmetrical and symmetrical. animals of two types, asymmetrical and symmetrical. Symmetrical is of two types, bilateral symmetry and radial symmetry. What is radial? Radial,
like very
radius. Radial means radius. So in a circle, how many radius you can draw? Infinite, many radii. Similarly, this will have more than two symmetries. See here. Asymmetry, you can see this one and this one. Here, body cannot be divided into two equal halves. Example, porifera and snail. You cannot divide snail into two equal halves. Bilateral symmetry, the body can be divided into two equal halves by any vertical plane along the central axis of the body. So body can be divided into two halves. See here. Sorry, this is radial. Can be divided into two equal halves. Any way you cut. Okay. You can divide a body into two halves. Whether you cut in verticals, anyway. See here. Here you can see this side, this side, this side. Now this is a circle. You can cut this side, you will get two equal half. If you cut from this side, you will get two equal half. Just like a vase. See, cut any way from the center, you will get two equal half. Bilateral symmetry, body can be divided into right and left halves in only one plane. Only one plane you can cut. Okay. Example, platyhelminthes to chordata. Now this platyhelminthes, I just want to explain what is platy. You know plaits, female. That is the word from where platyhelminthes is taken. They are like plates. Next we have germinal layers. These are the layers of embryo from which all the body organs are formed. Based on the number of germ layers, animals are of two types, diploblastic and triploblastic. Now, can you tell how many layers will be there? Two. How many layers will be there? Three. So, in diploblastic, there are only two layers. Okay, endoderm and ectoderm. Whereas in triploblastic, there are three layers: endoderm, ectoderm, and mesoderm. Now, each layer will form different organs. Ectoderm, ecto means outside, it will form the skin. Endoderm, inside body parts. Mesoderm, mostly it forms the muscle. Like that. Initially, when the embryo is there, directly embryo will not start forming hands, eyes, nose. First, it will divide into three layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Each layer will start forming a particular set of organs. This is there for you in class 12. Each ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Directly from zygote embryo, directly you don't get different parts. Initially, there are three layers formed. This you can see. This is blastocyst. This is zygote, which is already divided into many cells. From blastocyst, you get blastospore. This is the three layers. Mesoderm is the middle layer, ectoderm outside layer, endoderm inner layer. Okay. So these each layer will form different organs. So you have to know at least diploblastic there are two layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Triploblastic there are three layers, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Next is, see this, diploblastic, you have endoderm and ectoderm. Triploblastic, three layers. Okay, so this is diploblastic. This is triploblastic, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. So these points you have to know. Two germ layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Three germ layers, ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. It is between these layers an undifferentiated jelly-like substance is present. Between these, no, this mesoderm, no, it is not properly formed. It is like a gel. In this, the mesoderm is like made up of cells. Example, Cnidaria ctenophora. Example, Platyhelminthes to chordata. So we also come in triploblastic. Higher organism, everything is present. Okay, everything is high, complex, not simple. Then coelom or body cavity. It is the cavity lined by mesoderm. It is seen between body wall and gut wall. Between body and the gut. Gut means digestive system. Now, if you see between our digestive system and our skin, there will be some hollow space. That is called coelom. Coelom separates the muscle of the gut and the body wall. बॉडी का जो मसल है एंड गट इज डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, वो मसल वो सेपरेट है. बेस्ड ऑन द नंबर नेचर ऑफ सीलम, एनिमल्स आर असिलोमेट. असिलोमेट, व्हाट इज असिलोमेट? मीन्स स्टार्टिंग ए कब डालते हैं? नॉट ए. नो सीलम, नो बॉडी कैविटी. Pseudocoelomate. Pseudo means pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. मतलब it is there but false. And coelomate means there will be a body cavity. See here, this is gut wall, this is body wall, and there is cavity. Four coelom body cavity. Acoelomate, no coelom. Pseudocoelomate, false coelom. Coelomate, true coelom. Space between the body wall and digestive cavity is filled with matrix, parenchyma, acoelomate. Example, porifera and fatty helminthes. Here the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Okay, it is like this. See, ये कुछ extra है. Mesoderm is scattered in pouches. This is mesoderm, but it is scattered in pouches. Not here. There is entire mesoderm. You can see the pink color, no, orange color. So here coelom arises from mesoderm, annelida to chordata. This is what you have to know. Then we have meristem, the phenomena in which the body organ is externally or internally divided into repeated segments is called as metamerism. Like segments are there. Okay. Do tapeworm have segments? Tapeworm, जो हमारे body में रहता, you must have seen tapeworm. Tapeworm, there is no segmentation. Okay, but earthworm or this leech, centipede, millipede, they all have segment. The last is notochord. It is derived from mesoderm. Okay, it is mesodermly derived supporting rod formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development in some animals. Dorsal मतलब पीछे वाला side. Okay, dorsal, पीछे वाला side. This is the notochord. This is notochord from the behind. Animals with notochord are called as chordates, and without notochords are called as non-chordates. With notochord मतलब जो backbone है वो, with that we call them as chordates, and with no notochord they are called as non-chordate. What is the function of chordate or notochord? Just spinal cord, sorry, what is that function of vertebra?
Send information like
Yeah.
sensory nerve
No, that vertebrate. I am talking about the backbone.
to sit straight.
Sit straight. It gives posture. Plus, also it protects the spinal cord, which sends messages. Then, finally, kingdom Animalia at a glance. Kingdom Animalia cellular level of organization. They can be cellular, tissue, organ, or organ system. If it is cellular level, mostly they are asymmetrical. Then they will be acoelomate, no coelom, no cavity. Example, porifera. Radial means acoelomate. Example, Coelenterata, Ctenophora. Radial मतलब क्या? What do you mean by radial? Many direction you can cut. If you cut an apple in one direction, other direction, you will get two equal half. That is called radial. If it is bilateral, they will be acoelomate. They can be pseudocoelomate or coelomate. Okay, coelomate are this: annelida, arthropoda, mollusca, echinodermata, hemidomata, and chordata. What do you mean by coelomate? They have a body cavity. They have a cavity in the body. Okay, we will stop here. What you will do?